English, Cambridge 2. Scanning and skimming. Two most important reading techniques or subkinds of the intensive reading are scanning and skimming. Scanning is a rapid reading assisted by keywords to locate specific pieces of information for research, review, gets into what answer, that answers what, who, where, when, and how. Examples: looking for a word meaning in the dictionary, getting a document from the filing cabinet, looking through the yellow pages, etc. So, scanning is a reading technique to be used when you want to find specific information quickly. In scanning, you have a question in your mind and you read a passage only to find the answer, ignoring unrelated information. Text you can scan are a telephone book, a table of content, or an index in a book, the ads in a newspaper, what, where, when, how, who questions, information in a dictionary. How to scan? State the specific information you are looking for. Try to anticipate how the answer will appear and what clues you might use to help you locate the answer. For example, if you were looking for a certain date, you would quickly read the paragraph looking only for numbers. Use headings and any other aids that will help you identify which sections might contain the information you are looking for. Selectively read and skip through sections of the messages. Techniques for scanning. Analyze the organization of the content before starting to scan. Scan for a specific word, phrase, name, date, or place name. When you find the sentence that has the information you seek, read the entire sentence. The difference between skimming versus scanning. Skimming is a fast reading. Scanning is reading technique used when you want to locate a single fact or specific bit of information without reading every word. Skimming, get main idea, not all details. Must leave out parts. In skimming may leave out half to 1/4, 3/4 paragraph once you have the main idea of the paragraph. Comprehension is lower. Try to comprehend as much as you can while reading at an average speed. In skimming, comprehend 50% of what you are reading, twice as fast. Usually, it is done with material you know nothing about. Note as speed increases, comprehension decreases. In scanning, we also scan TV listings in paper to find time of show, phone directory when you want to see a show. Fast way to find information. Must be accurate in terms of finding a specific TV show or a phone, often done with material that you know something about. Like telephone directory, you already know the name of the person. What else do you want? So, skim or scan. Read the table of contents and look for keywords related to your topic. So, skimming and scanning helps you to find information easily and quickly. It is really useful skill to have and will help you answer comprehension questions. What is skimming and scanning? If anybody asks you, you can just easily say skimming is when you read through a piece of writing quickly to see what it is about. And scanning is when you scan the page with your eyes to find answers to questions. So, in detail, skimming is read titles, subtitles, headings, and illustrations, first and last paragraphs, first sentence of each paragraph, find important dates, names, and places, review tables, graphs, and charts, identify kind of text, topic, and approach are main thesis.